Hey guys, so I'm coming at you from a different location today. I am at Compass Dermatology. Today I am getting my first Forever Young BBL treatment done on my skin. So it's going to target some of the redness and any sunspots and really just bring back that glow and that natural luminosity to my skin. I have a few spots around my cheek and chin area, so I'm so excited to see how this goes. I got laser hair removal done practically on my whole body recently, so I feel like this is going to be a walk in the park, and I'm so excited to take you along. Here is the clinic room. Here are the products they're going to use. There is a lot of SkinCeuticals. Cannot wait to have that sunscreen put on. So this broadband light therapy is best done in a series of 4 and once a month. So it's kind of like 4-month treatment, and then your skin will reach its best results. Then a follow-up treatment could be the halo laser therapy, which would give you a lot more of an intense resurfacing, and that would have like 5 to 7 days of downtime afterwards. So make sure you're not doing any laser before a big event.
So I'm just going to do a few. We're actually doing the Rosacea portion, which is basically the diffused redness. So I'm just going one by one. Are you okay? How are you feeling?
Fine.
Awesome. Right. Let's do a few more. That'll be on your side. Ooh. Some of them are kind of spicy.
Yeah.
Right there. Almost done.
Here is the office space. It is so welcoming. Cool sculpting.
This is Compass Dermatology. Calling to let you know that we've got some ready for you.
And then over here, they have all of their great skincare products available for sale. These are great. Vivier and Aligné are Canadian companies, which is so nice to support. So I am just walking out now. I had such an amazing treatment with Esther at Compass Dermatology. She was fantastic, and I'm really excited to go to my follow-up, and I'm going to have maybe 3 or 4 more treatments, and you can get a package of 4 laser treatments for $1,500, which is a really great deal. Otherwise it is $4.99 per treatment. So I'm really excited to see the results. It felt fine. I mean, a little bit of prickly sensation around like the nose and eye area, but overall it was amazing, and I can't wait to get back and put a hat on because no sun exposure. As for how my skin feels right now, it is just a little bit warm feeling on like my cheekbones and I guess kind of around the like temples. Otherwise, I feel totally fine, and I'm really excited because I will just do a very simple skincare routine for like the next week. Then I can start using retinol, and all of my dark spots will get a little bit darker, and then they will probably flake off. It is 4 days post Forever Young BBL treatment, and I just have a tinted sunscreen on right now and a bit of blush, and my skin looks so glowy. I did sleep pretty well, but it is really great. My skin is super plump. I have not even been using any like acids or resurfacing treatments like that. I don't know if you can see here, but I do have some of the little coffee grind style marks. I have some of the marks on either cheek and then just around the sides of my nose, forehead, and chin. So they almost look like little flakes of mascara that have fallen onto my face, and it doesn't really look like anything to others, but if I am looking up close, that's when I will notice it. And it's so important not to pick and not to exfoliate during the week after your treatment so that they can just slough off naturally.
It's interesting. A few of the like beauty marks on my face were targeted quite heavily, so I'm excited to see what they end up looking like after. It's not as if I dislike them, but it is sun damage, so it'll be interesting to see how much of an impact this can have on generally very good skin. Here is the before shot, and the other side. Here is how it looked just the day after treatment. Other side. The darker brown spots indicate the pigmentation that was targeted in treatment. Here are my final results after one treatment. Dark spots and broken capillaries have been decreased, and I'm sure they would get a lot better with multiple treatments. BBL is not going to be an option for darker skin tones, so instead try their Halo Laser, which will give an incredible resurfacing result. I've linked Compass Dermatology's website in the description bar below, so visit their site and see what option might be best for you. Like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you again soon.